LG has revealed that its new flagship smartphone will be made official on the 2nd of May. The company also confirmed that the handset will launch as the LG G7 ThinQ. The company is holding a press conference at the Metropolitan West in New York on the 2nd of May 2018. The device is rumored to come with a 6-inch LCD display with a QHD and resolution of 3120 x 1400 pixels. The device is also rumored to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of storage. There may also be another version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The handset will feature two 16-megapixel rear cameras and a 3000 mAh battery. It is expected to come with Android Oreo. We will have more details about LG's new flagship when it is made official next month.